We're getting ready to go to the waterfall. Oh man, look at that. That's beautiful. Good morning, buenos dias. On today's episode, we are going to some waterfalls here close to Monteverde. So stay tuned, go with us. We woke up this morning to a beautiful rainbow, which led us all the way to the waterfalls. Very windy, cold, it's raining, but look at this. We're getting ready to go to the waterfall. Viento, Fresco. Fresh wind, cataratas. You guys gotta come over here. It costs 3,000 colones.
Vamos para Viento, Fresco. Era un tenguereche de los que caminan en el agua.
We're gonna check out the rainbow. We're here, coming close to the waterfall. We can hear them right now. The first waterfall is called Serena River, Rio Serena. It's a river that comes to the waterfall. It's about 102 feet from the parking, about 31 meters from the parking lot. I don't know if you can hear it. This is the first waterfall, Serena River. Check this out. Okay, we're going to the next waterfall. It's called Hidden Waterfall. It's about 25 meters from the first waterfall. We are now in Hidden Waterfalls. This waterfall is 66 feet tall. It's a must. You gotta put it on your list. So now we are on our way to the third waterfall. It's about 200 meters from here, but it's a hike. Since we're going downhill, it's gonna be easier, but coming back up, it's gonna be crazy.
No me acuerdo.
Tibulotes.
No, los tibulotes son los tapaculos. Estos son...
This is Rainbow Waterfall. Check this out. Okay, I'm gonna get in the water. Look at this, this is beautiful. Woo, man. Oh, it's cold. But look at this. Have you ever swam right next to a waterfall? It's awesome. So I got in the waterfall pool. It was really cold, maybe like 50-55 degrees Fahrenheit. Whew. But it feels so good. So right now we're going to the next waterfall. It's called toboggan, which means a slide. There's two of them. Do you hear that sound? In English, those are called cicadas. Those are the chicharras here. Listen. We are getting ready to see El Tobogán Waterfalls, which means a slide. There's two of them. It's so beautiful, guys. You guys, man, you guys need to plan to come over here. It's quite of a hike, but it is amazing. You can camp here if you want to. I love this waterfall. Ya comimos. We had lunch up there with our friends, Danis and Licho. We've known them for a long time. ¿Cómo va, po?
Pero vimos fortunes y Tilaran. Metido.
We're still climbing. It's a lot of climbing. Very steep. Okay, that's very steep. It's like 100 meters straight up. So let's go. ¿Cómo estuvo el agua?
Deliciosa. Fría.